Ever wondered why some men linger in a woman's thoughts long after they've left the room? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the 7 time-tested techniques high-value men use to make any woman miss them. From subtle moves to mindset shifts, these tips will transform your game. The last one? It's the ultimate ace up your sleeve. Let's keep it real. Relationships can be confusing, especially when you're trying to leave a lasting impression. But high-value men have a way of staying in a woman's thoughts, not because of mind games, but because of how they carry themselves. These techniques aren't just effective, they're respectful, classy, and authentic. Let's dive right in. Be mysterious but not cold. Ever notice how the best books and movies don't reveal everything up front? They hook you with enough information to keep you intrigued. High-value men apply the same principle in their lives. How to do it? Share interesting parts of your life, like a passion project or a recent adventure, but leave some details for later. For example, instead of telling her all about your weekend plans, say, "I've got something fun lined up. Maybe I'll tell you about it later." Why it works? A little mystery activates curiosity, which makes her think about you more. But remember, there's a fine line between being mysterious and being emotionally unavailable. If she feels like you're deliberately avoiding connection, it'll backfire. Be purpose-driven. There's nothing more magnetic than... Think of yourself as a movie protagonist. Every great character has a mission. When she watches you striving for something meaningful, she'll be hooked on your story. Master the art of communication. The way you communicate can either make her crave more of you or make her feel overwhelmed. High-value men strike the perfect balance. How to do it? Keep your messages thoughtful and meaningful. Instead of saying, "How was your day?" try, "What was the best part of your day?" This sparks deeper conversations and makes her feel genuinely valued. Why it works? Thoughtful communication shows that you're paying attention to her, but by not overdoing it, you create space for her to miss you. Show confidence, not cockiness. Confidence is about knowing your worth and not needing to prove it constantly. Cockiness, on the other hand, screams insecurity. How to do it? Stand tall, speak clearly, and own your decisions. If you're wrong, admit it gracefully. Confidence is as much about humility as it is about strength. Why it works? Confidence makes her feel safe around you. It tells her, "I've got this," which is a reassuring energy that women naturally gravitate toward. Give her memorable experiences. Moments make memories, and memories make people miss you. High-value men create emotional connections through unique experiences. How to do it? Plan something unexpected. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Think a late-night drive to watch the stars, cooking her favorite meal together, or exploring a local hidden gem. Why it works? Experiences activate emotions, and emotions create lasting bonds. When she remembers how you made her feel, she'll start missing you even before you respect her independence. This might sound counterintuitive, but giving her space is one of the best ways to make her miss you. How to do it? Encourage her to pursue her interests, spend time with her friends, and maintain her individuality. Show her that you value her as a person, not just as someone in your life. Why it works? Independence fosters mutual respect. When she sees you respect her freedom, she'll trust you more and naturally crave your company. So there you have it. 7 powerful techniques high-value men use to make any woman miss them. The secret? It's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming someone worth missing. Which of these techniques resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't keep this wisdom to yourself. Share this video with your friends. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next video will reveal what high-value men never do in relationship. Here's a hint. One of those mistakes can ruin everything you just learned. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.